Now, you're still fighting this 200-day, but these lines are all catching up. So your 21-day is catching up. Your 50 is starting to curl and point up, right? You haven't had this. And that's the point that I'm trying to get across to people. In March, when we rallied, you did not have a cross like this that was this wide with these angles and trajectories. Okay? That gives you stability. As you get that stability, you go higher. Okay? And that's got to be your focal point. All right? So understand that the game has changed. If you take a look at the SPY, you're still in the same exact area that you've been all week. But we're not breaking down. As I pointed out yesterday, and I would like to do again, you have these huge gap downs. You're not gapping down here. You're gapping down one day and then you're bouncing. So this is a very different trade for me. And that's definitely something that I would be focused on. Now, what do I think it means? I'm not entirely sure yet, but I would not be selling here. I would look for a reason to be getting out. It doesn't mean you have to go long here, right? But I wouldn't be in a big hurry to sell my positions there. So, and if you are interested right here, you have the same level again. So you are at 329.90 and you're not breaking. If you drill into this on a 15-minute and you get rid of the pre and the post data, this is all you've been doing is getting tighter. So there's only so much that's going to happen, right, as this gets tighter. Okay, there's only so much that can happen. Eventually, it's got to break one way or another. Now, if you have companies like AMAT and Bill, and they're coming out and they're beating earnings, okay, and those companies are being rewarded, I would certainly focus on those, right? And I want to just leave you with one other thought, and I do want to go through another index really quickly, more of a commodity. Now that I think about it, I think it'd be best just to go over it now. But you're right on this line, 20. You're not breaking the 20. So where's the fear? Where's the put buyers? We know people are selling stock and shorting stock. We can see it. But they're not really going out there and shorting the market. Well, where's the protection? They're not buying protection. So if you like this clip, click on the left to watch another one. Or if you want to see the entire video, click on the right.